If you're here, it means you're interested in making money by listening to music online. There's actually a way to do this, so stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how you can make up to $900 or more just by tuning into your favorite songs and turning your love for music into a profitable side hustle. Grab your headphones, settle in, and let's get started. One of the best ways to make money listening to music is through a popular platform called SoundCloud. It offers trending songs across different genres, and you can use it to generate income by transcribing lyrics. To get started, visit SoundCloud.com, download the app, and sign up using your email or social media account. Once logged in, explore trending songs and listen carefully. The goal is to transcribe the lyrics, but instead of doing it manually, you can use a website called musicmatch.com, which provides accurate lyrics for different songs. This saves time and ensures accuracy, making the process much easier. Now that you have song lyrics, the next step is to monetize them using platforms like rev.com. This is a legitimate website with over 700,000 users that pays you to transcribe audio into text, including song lyrics. You can earn between 30 cents and $1.10 per minute of audio, meaning a 3-minute song could make you up to $3. By transcribing multiple songs per day, you can generate a steady income. The key is consistency. To get started, visit rev.com, scroll to the bottom of the homepage, and apply as a freelancer. After approval, you can begin transcribing and get paid weekly via PayPal. Another great platform to maximize earnings is GoTranscript. It pays around 84 cents per minute of transcribed audio, which translates to roughly $3 per song. On average, freelancers earn between $150 and $1,200 per month. The process is similar to rev.com. Sign up, complete the application, and start transcribing. If you focus solely on song lyrics, your earning potential may be limited, but if you're open to transcribing various types of audio, your income can grow significantly. Before submitting any transcription, always verify the accuracy by listening to the song again and cross-checking the lyrics. This ensures high-quality work, which increases your chances of getting more jobs and maintaining a good reputation on these platforms. While making $1,500 quickly through music transcription alone isn't easy, it's a great way to earn extra income. These platforms offer free sign-ups, so there's no risk in trying them out. Let me know your thoughts, and I look forward to